Welcome back to Courtroom Chronicles. Today, we're diving into one of the most emotional and redemptive courtroom moments you'll ever see. Meet Fernando Rios, a man facing his fourth DWI charge, a third-degree felony that could land him up to 10 years behind bars. But here's the twist this time. Fernando says he's 5 months sober, working with a sponsor, and ready to turn his life around. The question is, will the judge believe him? You'll notice right from the start, the judge is skeptical. She's seen this before: heartfelt apologies, promises to change, and emotional pleas that sometimes crumble under relapse. But Fernando's composure, sincerity, and clear progress hint that something might be different this time. As the court walks through the plea deal, pay close attention. The judge isn't just deciding on a sentence, she's deciding whether this man deserves a second chance or a return to prison. Do you believe in redemption after repeated mistakes? Let us know in the comments before we reveal how this all ends, because what happens later in this courtroom shocks everyone. Let's get into it.
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand in count 2 you're charged with assault family second offense? That's a third-degree felony. The range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Showing you the plea bargain page. Did you review that page with your attorney and did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
According to the plea bargain agreement, your punishment is to be assessed at 5 years in prison. There's a $1,500 fine. There's no application for deferred adjudication. The state recommends community supervision. There's an affirmative finding of family violence, the BIPP course, and $100 to an approved family violence center. Did you understand with an affirmative finding of family violence, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand with an affirmative finding of family violence, you're not allowed to be designated as primary custodial parent?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand that to be the entirety of your plea bargain agreement?
Yes, Your Honor.
Next, I'm showing you outside the agreement. The state is requesting that your community supervision be for a term of 5 years. There be a TAP evaluation and no contact with Paul Pina, P-I-N-A. Did you understand that those are recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
Yes, ma'am.
Then to the offenses charged in the indictment, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Guilty.
Are you proceeding with sentencing?
We would waive PSI, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Your Honor, I think that she's a good candidate for probation. I think she has, there were things we could contest in this case, but she was willing to take responsibility for some of what happened. And I think that's important. And it shows that she is ready to do what she needs to rehabilitate herself.
Right,
we would ask you to follow the probation recommendations.
This is the moment that defines Fernando's case. The judge lays it out bluntly. This isn't your first, your second, or even your third DWI. It's a harsh reality check. But what's remarkable is Fernando's response. It's not defensive, it's reflective. He admits he didn't think he had a problem. That's something many people battling addiction struggle with: denial until it's too late. He's now attending meetings, mentoring others, and for the first time taking full accountability. And the judge? You can see her tone slowly shift, from skepticism to curiosity to compassion. It's one of those rare courtroom moments where a defendant's words carry real emotional weight. Do you think 5 months of sobriety is enough to prove real change, or should past mistakes always define the punishment? Drop your take below, because the judge's decision here sets a powerful precedent.
To the state.
All right, Ms. Zuniga, do you and Mr. Pina have any children?
No, ma'am.
All right, so this is what you have to understand then. Your relationship with Mr. Pina is over. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. When is the last time you worked?
I have a job right now.
And what do you do?
Clean houses.
Okay. Do you have any children?
Yes, ma'am.
What are their ages?
15, 18, and 22.
All right, where are they? Where's the 15 and the 18-year-old?
The 15-year-old lives with my aunt, and the 18-year-old has his own place.
All right, so why is the 15-year-old living with the aunt?
I lost custody of her back when she was younger, and my aunt has Full custody.
Okay. All right, the court will sentence you to 5 years in the prison, suspended and probated for 5 years, $1,500 fine, probated, affirmative finding of family violence, the BIPP course, $100 to a family violence center, $150 community service restitution hours. The court will deduct 40 of those hours if you provide proof of the COVID vaccination. Court is not requiring you to get the COVID vaccination, but if you do and you have it, and you present documentation of that to probate, then the court will deduct 40 of those hours. There's to be no contact with Paul Pena, employment proof within 15 days, no employment as a home health care provider or with minors. There's to be regular UAs, field visits, 1 time per month, regular reporting by Zoom or in person. So if you're not able to report by Zoom, you'll have to do it in person. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Ms. Reyes, is there anything else that she needs?
No, ma'am.
All right, Ms. Zuniga, is there anything else that you need from the court in order to be successful?
Was I gonna be able to do the PSI out there?
No, I'm giving you your conditions. I've just
Okay.
given you your conditions.
Okay.
Probation will go over those conditions with you. All right, is there anything else that you need from the court in order to be successful? Ms. Zuniga, do you need any other conditions or anything else from this court in order to be successful on this probation?
No, ma'am.
All right, good luck to you, Ms. Zuniga. Ms. Zuniga, I'm gonna send you to breakout room number 2. Probation will go over conditions with you. And yes, and just remember, before you get into a relationship, work on yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Court is calling 2022 CR 2568, State of Texas versus Beverly Marie Zuniga. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Honor Charlie Nelson.
Defense?
Anton Hyde for the citizen accused.
And are you Beverly Zuniga?
Yes.
I'll show you what's entitled motion to revoke community supervision. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? Are you the same Beverly Marie Zuniga who was placed on community supervision in 2022 CR 2568 for the offense of assault, family's second offense on April 14th, 2022 for a term of 5 years? Is that you?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, state.
Violation of condition number 2. On or about the 5th day of April, 2023 in Barrett County, Texas, the defendant Beverly Marie Zuniga did then and there fail to submit to drug testing as directed by the court officer, supervision officer, in violation of condition number 2.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
True. State weighs and abandons the remaining allegations.
Any objection?
No objections.
Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 2, the court could find it true, grant the motion, sentence you up to 5 years in prison and up to a $1,500 fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 2?
Yeah.
Court will find violation of condition number 2 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
There is, Your Honor. We have agreed to probation's recommendation to allow for SATA aftercare.
That's correct, Your Honor.
All right. Are you asking the court to follow that agreement?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you waiving your right to appeal?
Yes.
All right. The court will deny the motion, alternate amend conditions to include SATA, followed by aftercare, and that's while in custody. So there may be a little bit of wait time, and because it's the holiday season, there's going to be some wait time. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, we can go off the record. You're going to have to do better. If you don't do better, what's going to end up happening is you could potentially end up in prison for 5 years. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
If there's an issue, let probation know. If you feel they're not addressing it, you can always come back to the court. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, good luck to you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Excuse, sir.
Yes.
Thank you.
CR 2568. Could I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Melissa Albin for the state.
James Seeloff for the defense.
And I'm so sorry. The style of the case is the state versus Beverly Marie Zuniga. And are you Beverly Marie Zuniga?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you review the document entitled Motion to Revoke Community Supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
Are you the same Beverly Marie Zuniga who was placed on community supervision in 2022 CR 2568 for the offense of assault family second offense on April 14th, 2022 for a term of 5 years? Is that you?
Yes.
All right, state.
We're going to proceed on number 38, Your Honor. In Bexar County, Texas, the defendant Beverly Marie Zuniga did then and there fail to report weekly for a period of 3 months as directed in violation of condition number 38.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
True, Your Honor.
We'll waive the rest, Your Honor.
Any objections to the waiver?
No objection, Your Honor.
Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 38, the court could find it true, grant the motion, sentence you to 5 years in the prison and a $1,500 fine? Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition 38?
Yes.
Court will find violation of condition number 38 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
There is not, Your Honor. I
We're
believe
going to open.
we are recommending revocation and the defense would like to ask for something else.
All right, defense.
If the court is going to revoke, we ask the court to do less than 5 years. She's currently taking medication for a heroin problem. And apparently she's doing quite well on that. She's got a couple of children, the youngest being 17. So I asked the court for a little mercy in this matter, and asked for credit for time served also.
All right, so defense, it's my understanding from the state, they're recommending revocation. What are you requesting?
I'm asking you to, pardon?
The state's recommendation is to revoke and sentence for 5 years, TDC.
All right, and so what are you requesting?
I'm requesting less time than 5 years, 2 to 5. I'm asking, and I want to point out that she's 40 years old. She's taking a drug right now, a prescription drug to help with her heroin. She's doing very good on that. She has a couple of kids, the youngest being 17, and I asked the court for mercy.
All right, so is there anything you wish to say to the court?
If given the chance, would you go for?
Well, if she wants to say anything,
Okay.
then she'll need to be sworn in.
Okay.
Oh, yeah, I was saying.
You want to raise your right hand? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes.
All right, you can lower your hand, state your name for the record.
Beverly Marie Zuniga.
All right, and probation, she has pled true to violation of condition number 38, and the
30.
court has found that true. All right, what would you like to say?
I was letting my lawyer know that I was likely to get my GED because I didn't finish high school. And also my grandmother, she like relied on me. She has a pacemaker in her heart.
Mhm.
She's 87 years old. I don't have my parents. They passed away when I was very young. She's my only.
So let me ask you this. If your grandmother is relying on you, why would you come to me? This is your third motion to revoke. And let me just remind you, your first motion to revoke was a violation of condition number 2.
Yes.
The court denied the motion, alternate amend conditions to get you drug treatment. Then your next violation was a violation of number 4. The court alternate amended your conditions and continued you. And now you're back here for another motion to revoke. So why were you not thinking of your grandmother needing you before?
No, I have been, but I recently I had a stroke myself, and as you can see, my right hand is stayed messed up, and I have this on my eye from when I fell. This happened in October. It's been like trying to take care of myself and take care of my grandmother. It's been really hard, and then with my kids. My daughter, she has lupus, the 17-year-old. She's in college. She just finished school. She doesn't have a father. She just has me.
Mhm. All right. So this is what the court is going to do. The court is finding violation of condition number 38 true. The court is going to grant the motion. There should be no contact with Paula Pena. There's an affirmative finding of family violence. The court will give you credit for any time served, credit for any time served in inpatient treatment, and the court will sentence you to 5 years in the prison. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it?
So,
All right, you have a limited right to appeal. That right to appeal is as it relates to the allegations in the motion, not the fact that you are in community supervision. Because this is a felony conviction and an affirmative finding of family violence, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what that is, you'll need to speak to an attorney.
What an incredible turnaround. From facing years in prison to being praised by the judge for his dedication to recovery, Fernando Rios' story is a rare example of accountability meeting compassion. The judge not only recognized his progress, but offered flexibility, recommending outpatient treatment instead of intensive programs, and even joking about no more Stanley Cup water challenges. It's a mix of humor, hope, and humanity that reminds us not every courtroom story ends in tragedy. This case shows the justice system at its best, firm but fair, skeptical yet supportive. So, what do you think? Did the judge make the right call by giving Fernando another chance? Would you have done the same if you were on the bench? If you found this story as powerful as we did, make sure to like this video, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe to Courtroom Chronicles for more real courtroom drama, legal insights, and redemption stories from across the nation.